Hey guys, we're going to be reviewing this pretty cool and functional dash cam for this company that sent it to me, and it's real nice and compact, super easy to mount, and doesn't obstruct the view of the driver. So let's check out the driving footage and we'll check out some of the specs. This is the Miden S7 2.5K dash front camera and rear. This comes with a 64 gig SD card. This is capable from 1600p plus 1080p. So this is a nice little dash cam that is pretty compact in size. Comes with a mounting suction cup. This way you can mount it to your windshield, as you'll see in my installation. And it comes with everything you need to get going, all the wires that are long enough, and the recording, which is on a loop, and it has a night vision with 24-hour parking monitor. So during the day, this has quality to help you read key details such as road signs and vehicle license plates more clearly. So you have better security just in case something happens and you need evidence in a court, and this will get the job done. It has a 3.2-inch full HD screen. This way you could target your viewing area easily, and you know you're getting the view that you want when you mount it and set it up. And also for playback, if it's necessary to play back in the car, or you could remove the SD card and play it back on your computer in your home. It was pretty much plug and play. When I removed the SD card, plugged it into my computer, and I could easily access the files in the folders without any special software, at least in my case. So it has a lot of capabilities, which it takes a little bit of learning curve to get used to. So expect to learn this camera and before you really start getting used to it. The buttons a little bit not so clear because it's just a compact camera, so obviously you got to know where your buttons are, but once you learn it, it's very self-explanatory, easy to navigate through the menus and set all your controls and your settings with no problem whatsoever. I never really had a dash camera too much before in the past, so the parking monitor is kind of cool feature, because sometimes you want to park in an area and you really don't know what's going on, or maybe you're having some kind of unique issues. This is great for 24-hour protection or just finding out information of what's going on around your car when you're not around it. And also, like you've seen in the footage, you could record events on the road. You could record your trips with stunning views, and you could record incidents that can protect you in a court, whether you're pulled over by police or have a minor, hopefully minor, fender bender. And this way you have evidence, and it really protects you in more ways than one. So this has IMX 498 CMOS sensor. So they, like I said, they give you the 64 gig SD card. You could put in a larger one if you need it, but this one seems to be enough that meets the needs. So the only thing that would be a concern if you really need high quality night driving footage, this one lacks a little bit in that. Daytime function is exactly what you expect. It's nice and clear, colors are nice, but nighttime, especially on a super dark road, and I was driving on very dark roads, and my headlights are standard. They're not HD headlights. It's an older car, and I don't upgrade the headlights because I want to keep the car the way it is. So I suffer in the nighttime footage unless the street is well lit. So that's the only thing. This, for the value, you're gonna get a great dash cam, and there's no reason why you shouldn't step up and equip any car with a dash cam for your own protection, for nighttime supervision. And it's just, to me, a super deal, and I wouldn't pass this up. If you're first time getting a dash cam, this is an easy entry point. No brainer.